Hello, so let me tell you a little story. So many years ago, in the days of iPads with home buttons on them, there was this one family who wanted really badly an iPad and treated themselves with a very, to that time, new iPad. And you know the saying, love at first sight? That's what happened. And they fell in love with it so much that they kept it for 10 years. Great for them. So many years later, the father's job finally forced him to get a new iPad and a new computer because it wasn't going too well. Even though he felt like it was perfect, but you know, I guess he bought a new iPad. And the whole entire family was really excited because the iPad didn't have a home button. That's amazing. And we were so excited to use it, except it was the father's iPad. So that basically means that only the father used it, and the other part of the family just sat there and watched him in jealousy while they had the iPad with the old home button, which, you know, lags a lot. But then finally, after many months of convincing from the son and the mother, the father finally decided to buy what I call the iPad Pro. Thank you. And then we're at present time. That whole entire story was true, based off of a true story. Nothing in that was false. But now we have the iPad Pro. Okay, so this is the iPad Pro 12.4 inch. I'm super excited for this because, as I told you, we had an iPad with one button. Okay, so if you guys still have an iPad with a button, or like a home button, something like that, or like the older iPads with that, that's good. Super happy for you. And if that still works, so this is the iPad Pro, as I said, and I'm going to be unboxing it, and I'm going to be reviewing kind of its camera features and a bit more stuff. The cool thing about this iPad actually is that it has 3 cameras, which is like the iPhone 11 or maybe the iPhone 12. I'm not sure yet, but so I'm gonna see if this still has the same camera quality. Also, this took a lot of convincing to do for the father. My dad, because for some reason he thinks that if you watch iPads and stuff like that too much, your eyes get weaker and then you get glasses. I'm not fully sure about, because first of all, he's not even close to being an eye doctor, but then somehow he already knows somehow he already knows how your eye can get weak. Like, what? But that's a totally different story. So we can just stay on topic. The iPad Pro. I am going to be unboxing this in a few hours, but for you that's gonna be like 3 seconds or something. You know, that's how YouTube works. But so yeah, I'm gonna go to swimming practice now, and I'll see you when I'm back. Hi guys, so I just came back from swimming. I took a shower and now I am back to unbox this bad boy, the moment you've all been waiting for. And so let's get right on to the satisfaction of opening a box and peeling off the plastic off of his iPad. It's really satisfying. Okay, yeah, so Okay guys, so I finally unboxed the iPad Pro, as you can see, I struggled a lot with opening it, but oh my god, it's huge, guys. We got it in the silver color. It has 3 cameras. It looks like the camera of the iPhone 11, but we are gonna see if that is the case. It's 12.9 inches. That's why it looks so huge. So let's open this up now more satisfyingly. Yeah, there it is. And so there's the charger. There's the charger plug. Let me show you guys the charger. Here is the charger.
Oh, no.
Let me tell you the problem with this. This charger is very different than a regular iPad charger. Okay, this charger, it looks like the charger of my phone. I have an Android phone, by the way, so it's basically just charger. Like the charger has a little hole inside it. It's not like fully filled, if that makes sense. But so yeah, it's a bit different. And here's the charger plug. It's also a bit bigger and a bit longer and fatter. Sorry, he needs to lose weight. But anyway, so now that that's done, here is our little manual thing. If we open it up, we have our manual, which explains us a lot of different things. And we also have this random thing. Oh yeah, we also have our Apple stickers, which always come. I recently went on a trip, and on every single one of their cars, they have this Apple sticker on every single car. For some reason, like, it's not even Apple, but you know, they wanted to pretend that they had an Apple car maybe coming out. I don't know, but so I'm going to set this up, put a cover on it, and then I will see you to show you guys a bit of the camera and a bit things. Yeah. Hey guys, so here is some pictures I took from portrait mode first of all, and the problem with portrait mode is that you cannot take pictures with the camera at the back, so that's a bit of a problem. Then here is a picture of me just in regular mode, and so that looks pretty good. And then here's a picture from the other camera with 3 cameras. It seems pretty good, and I like it. Here's a video in 4K of the iPad Pro. I really think that these pretty good. I mean, it seems pretty nice, unless if you zoom a little too much outwards, the quality does get low, but I feel like it's pretty good. Hope you enjoyed that little review of the iPad 12.9 inch iPad Pro. I am actually recording this outro on the iPad Pro, and so probably would tech people out there. Here's the frontal view and the audio recording, like how the audio is. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you decide if you should get an iPad Pro or not. And yeah, so goodbye.